I just got back from doing my side hustle route with multiple different apps, and one of the app was Mobee, and this is my favorite gig where you have to check on honey at Aldi's. So let's go. I'm at Aldi's and I'm doing a 300 point gig, so it pays $3 in gift cards. Just got to take some pictures of honey. I'm going to record with my meta glasses in real time, and you can decide for yourself if this is a side hustle that you want to do. So this app is going to send you to stores to do different tasks. This one is to check up on honey products. Other ones will be more seasonal, so it'll be busy during seasonal times like Christmas, Valentine's Day, stuff like that. But these honey ones and a couple of other ones are consistently there. Today was the first of the month, and usually in the beginning of the month, there will be a lot more of these gigs. So when this one drops, it's going to be at every Aldi's, every Sam's Club, every Family Dollar, and every Publix. So I was able to do about 5 or 6 of these. But the thing is, depending on what store you go to, it may take a little bit longer or it may be super fast. So you have to take a picture and scan every honey product up to 20 products. But the thing about Aldi's is there are only about 4, maybe 5 different honey products. So it's really quick. At Family Dollar, they only have 1 or 2 products, like organic or non-organic, so it's going to be really fast. So if you're a beginner and you're doing your first one, I would recommend doing it at one of those stores and not starting with the supermarket. So now I'm looking for the honey. Usually it's on an end cap here in Aldi's. So here are all the honey products. So you have to take a picture of all the honey products. But what's good about Aldi's is there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to ask you how much honey. So 6. Now we just take a picture of it on the shelf, scan the barcode, take a picture of the back, and that's it for all the honey products. So at like Publix, where there was like 20 different products, it took a lot longer. But here at Aldi's, it actually is somewhat worth it for the amount that it pays. So 2, picture scan. And once you've done a lot of these, you'll be able to do them really quickly, like a machine. Picture, scan, back, picture, scan, back. And there's just 2 more products. Make sure when you scan the barcode, you don't get like a QR code. Sometimes there's a QR code on the back of them. And that. And then hot honey. I consider the hot honey regular honey, so whatever. So, same thing, just another honey product. And boom. Then I asked if there's a display. There was not. They asked if you had any difficulty. We did not. And that's it. Took less than 3 minutes since I got into the parking lot. And these are at pretty much every Aldi's and every Publix by me.